Our food production systems are really limited by arable land and freshwater availability. And on top of that, with climate change, we have even fewer options and resources. I'm working with microalgae, living creatures that can grow in water. Depending on the cultivation conditions I use, I can make it accumulate nutrients and proteins that are important for human nutrition. My dream would be to have it as an alternative food source that can help alleviate the food security crisis. My name is Naomi Arita Merino, and I'm a 2022 Schmidt Science Fellow. I pivoted from food science to microalgae biotechnology at the Sustainable Food Processing Group at ETH Zurich. After I got my bachelor's degree in food chemistry, I decided to go into the food industry. Whenever I would look at a product at the supermarket, I knew what was behind it. The way those products were formulated, nutrition-wise, were not the best. My previous experience in the food industry and my knowledge of food science, it's guiding my current research. I decided to focus on the production of certain microalgae species already compatible with regular products. My parents met in a small coastal town in Mexico, where I spent the first years of my life, and they had a project there together with sustainable aquaculture. But then they had to move out. They promised to each other that they would go back, but they never managed. After I started working with an organism that can grow in seawater, I called them my babies. Then I started thinking about why I felt so happy. It just connects me to my family. In Mexico, food is like the way we communicate love to each other.
Don't be greedy.
So it has a very personal component. It really reflects my background, where I grew up, where my parents grew up. I don't speak the languages that my ancestors spoke, but I still cook with many ingredients that they used. What actually drove me to food science, it's that it's very interdisciplinary. What I thought was important was to learn about the challenges that microalgae biotechnologists face, and then be able to make recommendations on how we can use that biomass for food production. The Schmidt Fellowship really allows you to look for answers for problems that sound impossible. Climate is changing. We need as many alternatives as we can get to still be able to produce sufficient food for everyone, everywhere.